Hello, Memorial. This time last year, it would have been difficult to envision the challenges 2020 had in store. But we know the Memorial Healthcare team is truly special. A team that pulls together in incredibly difficult times, no matter how difficult those times can be. Each one of you has shown exceptional commitment and resilience, and each one of you has lived and breathed Memorial's core values. You have demonstrated this in countless ways throughout the year. Through your incredible teamwork, your commitment to excellence and integrity, each and every day, your devotion to service in providing every patient with compassionate care, your collective wisdom in the face of unprecedented circumstances, and your ability to innovate with creative solutions to solve the complex problems that we face. I'm exceptionally proud to call each one of you a trusted colleague and feel fortunate that we stand together as members of Memorial's family. Memorial Healthcare has been serving our communities for nearly a century, and this past year has been one of the most challenging. But it also has been one of the most enlightening in terms of how special this team truly is. Thank you. Thank you for what you do, how you do it, and for whom you really are. The challenges of the past year have brought out your best and made Memorial Healthcare stronger than ever before. I'm humbled and honored to work with such a courageous and dedicated group of professionals. God bless.
I thought I just had the flu. I started vomiting and I couldn't hold anything down. Called the doctor, she gave me some medicine. The following Thursday, I was coughing up blood and she told me to go to ER. And I think the worst part was my husband. We've never been apart for more than 4 days. I ended up in ICU with all of you guys. The best move they ever made. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for the love and support of the doctors, the nurses, kitchen staff, everybody. Even the girl that came in and did my chest x-ray, she was so gentle and so concerned. I've never felt so much love from people that really didn't know me. It's hard to describe what it's like being isolated from your family. You'd come in and talk with me, or Wes would come in and joke around with me, and it made me feel like I wasn't so isolated and so alone.
Right.
Because when I was so sick, I had my phone, but even texting 2 or 3 messages, I was exhausted. I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
And then when the one night when things went downhill, I don't know what I would have done. Seriously.
And you were so scared.
I was.
And we were scared for you.
I know. And you held my hand so tight. Wes had this hand, and it was you guys that kept me alive. I mean, I'm serious about that. I didn't think I would cry again.
It's hard not to.
It is. But if it hadn't been for the 2 of you, I would have totally given up. I was so tired. I know you guys know, but I just want you to know how much it meant to me. The hospital, I had the best care anywhere. And that's when I decided to get the tattoo. It is a reminder of everything that I went through, how my life changed, my faith, my hospital family, my hope, and my love of my children, my husband, my friends, my family. I'm going to a football game tonight to see my grandson. I wouldn't be able to do that if it wasn't for you guys. I wouldn't be able to spend Thanksgiving and Christmas and see my new great-granddaughter. You guys gave that to me. And for that, I owe you so very much. All of you.
Successful world-class organizations share many common values. Most important is teamwork. Memorial is focused and driven to meet our mission. Teamwork is critical to being able to meet our mission and serve our community. Extraordinary teamwork has been and will always continue to be a key to our success. You see it every day across the entire organization. All employees, no matter where they work, no matter what their job title, contribute to outstanding patient care and our success. The examples are all around us at every moment, in every department, in every division. Our lab team, developing world-class COVID testing capabilities. It's seen in our clinical teams, nursing, respiratory, imaging, providing unselfish, life-saving, frontline care under very challenging conditions. It's evident in our facilities team as they constructed a COVID care site overnight. This was essential to providing care to individuals suffering with this disease. It's evident in our IS team as they worked their magic to ensure employees and services had the computer connections to perform their duties. Our housekeeping and laundry teams implementing enhanced cleaning techniques, keeping patients, visitors, and staff safe. It's seen in our supply chain team as they scoured the globe, hunting and capturing life-saving PPE for us. Our public safety team, screening individuals at our front entrance, adding an additional layer of safety for all of us. Our food and nutrition team, making sure our patients and staff are all well fed, and who can forget their phenomenal desserts. When challenges face our community, Memorial staff do not shy away. It's an outstanding honor for me and a privilege to be able to serve this organization alongside such courageous, caring, and excellent teammates. I want to thank everyone on this team for all their efforts every day, all their caring, all their compassion, and everything that they do to contribute to the success of our team and also to the care of our patients.
To the Memorial Healthcare family, you are our everyday heroes. You were at the beginning of this, you still are. We're so proud of the work that you've done, the specialty treatment centers that you set up in our community, and the things that you continue to do for vulnerable people every day. We've also seen the community come together in ways to show you how much we appreciate what you're doing for us. And that came through in the donation of Kindles so that loved ones could still visit with those here at the hospital during this time, and the community creation of personal protective equipment like surgical caps and gowns and masks. We also saw first responders and numerous community organizations come together for a thank you drive, and it was a wonderful event that reflected how we feel about you. We know that this work stays with you as you go home. We know that you're continuing in this mission every day. And as a community collectively, it's our honor to have you here and to say thank you.
Memorial Healthcare never stops trying to achieve and push forward on excellence. Our mission is to deliver the best possible healthcare to our families, to our communities, and to our peers. Excellence is about achieving the goal and then pushing past it, and then being consistent in the delivery. In the midst of supply chain chaos caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, Memorial Healthcare pulled a true mission impossible. In just 13 days from signing a contract for a new molecular analyzer, the instrument was delivered, a brand new Quant Studio 7 capable of performing RT-PCR was installed, validated, and put into service. We currently use this platform to perform over 1,200 SARS-CoV-2 detection assays per week. The Kingfisher extractor and the Quant Studio 7 are capable of providing many more assays outside of SARS-CoV-2. Tumor markers, women's health, genetic testing, infectious disease detection are all possible on this piece of equipment, and we hope to really put this into use.
In 2020, we've seen many accolades related to patient experience and quality, from maintaining our Leapfrog A recognition and 4 stars from CMS, to receiving recognition from Newsweek magazine as a best maternity care hospital. Patient safety and quality at Memorial Healthcare remains a top priority. Throughout the pandemic, we've been able to increase our willingness to recommend scores, and that's because of you. In 2020, telemedicine options for our patients increased dramatically, with many providers still using this convenient option for their patients. Many office visits, appointments, and post-surgical check-ins can be done from virtually anywhere, with a cell phone, a computer, or a tablet. Throughout my career, I've worked with some amazing people, but the employees and providers at Memorial Healthcare are top-notch. What you're doing to create the best and safest experience for our patients does not go unnoticed. Your dedication is to be commended, and I thank you.
Innovation at Memorial Healthcare is consistently seeking new approaches to service and the delivery of care with vitality and enthusiasm. So how this all started is I was walking down the hallway and ran into Dr. Pruitt on the way there. He had a scuba mask in his hand and basically, what were you asking me?
Yeah, well, I was trying to figure out how to get like an N95 filter attached to the mask. Charlie happened to walk down the hallway and he started hearing about some of the things we were trying to troubleshoot or try to fix.
Oxygen gets pumped in through the face of the mask, keeping the mask from fogging up, keeping the person working. And then we ended up with the final product after numerous tries.
So this mask really allows me to focus, and anybody else that's wearing it, focus on patient care. Overall, this is it's not only protecting the staff and the nurses and the physicians, that it protects us as well as eliminates any possibility for the patient to get anything from us.
So basically it turned out to be a job well done.
Yeah.
At Memorial Healthcare, we have a research legacy that started at the Cancer Center about 10 years ago. In 2017, our neurology providers embarked on expanding treatment options for patients with multiple sclerosis. Through the culture of innovation, the support of our excellent executive team, and the vision of Dr. Rani Abarashid, the Memorial Healthcare Research Team was born. In 2020, we currently have 7 research staff members and 8 providers participating in research at Memorial. There are approximately 30 research projects, either in open enrollment or in other various stages of development. We also have over 1,000 patients participating in research at Memorial Healthcare. These trials include phase 1 through phase 4 trials for different multiple sclerosis therapies, spinal muscle atrophy, migraines, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Our research offers patients from across Michigan access to participate in cutting-edge treatment opportunities that are normally only found at large institutions, and it's right here in Owosso. In 2018, Memorial purchased a lab device called Single Molecule Array, or SIMOA, which led to Memorial becoming the first in the industry to study neurofilament light chain on multiple sclerosis patients in real time. We currently have approximately 900 patients enrolled in this clinical trial. We are very hopeful that this data we are collecting will lead to treatment algorithms for other providers to use when treating MS. We are very excited about the future of research opportunities at Memorial Healthcare and what this means for our patients.
Memorial Healthcare defines wisdom as integrating excellence with financial stewardship. I would like to thank each of you for your commitment to excellence. To those who stepped up and worked the front lines during the first wave of the pandemic. To those employees who were furloughed, we could not have done it without your support and understanding. Many employees were assigned to work from home, and many still remain at home, allowing Memorial Healthcare to follow the recommended CDC practices and continue to provide the best possible experience for our patients and visitors. Of course, when we talk about financial stewardship, how can we forget about our finance department? They have spent months identifying resources such as grants and loans to assist with the financial burden that came with the pandemic. A pandemic no one could have ever planned for. 2020 has most certainly been a trying time, but with your support and dedication, we are still here, and we are still Memorial Strong.
I would like to thank every Memorial Healthcare employee for the work they do every day. The most important part of what I've just said is thank you. We are profoundly grateful for the contributions each and all of you have made. You've made Memorial Healthcare a cornerstone of our community, and the everyday part is also important. The past year has been one of uncertainty and challenge that has required tremendous resilience. And every single day, each one of you brought Memorial Healthcare's mission and values to life. Because of you, Memorial Healthcare fulfills its promise to every patient. Because of you, Memorial Healthcare does what it says we'll do. We're here, we're ready, we're keeping our community safe. And it has required a heroic effort on your part to accomplish that mission. Thank you for your resilience. Thank you for your unwavering commitment. Thank you for being the heart and soul of Memorial Healthcare every single day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.